Okay, so let's open Safari and let's go to Google and look for the Amazon free tier. So you can see we have a link here and it gives us a description of what services are included in the free tier. I'm not going to go into that now, but you can have a look at that. So let's click on create an account, and I'm a new user, and then enter an email address that you want to use for this. So I'm going to use Santa Claus as my email address. So santa.claus@thenorthpole.org. Sign in using secure server, and obviously add your correct name. You can't use Santa Claus to set an account on Amazon normally, but just for the demonstration purposes I'm going to do that. So you need to put your email address in twice and then choose a complex password, something with some numbers and upper and lowercase letters in there. Then just click on create account. Okay, here you need to add your contact information, so put in your full name in the first box, then your company name, or if you don't have a company yet, you can just put not applicable in here, I think. And then choose your country from the drop-down list. So we'll put Oslo in as the city. I think it's not far from where Santa Claus hangs out. So, and we'll put 1 Toy Street as the street number and name. Apartment number 12. And we'll call it Toy County for the state. And the postcode NP01. Let's put in a phone number. I'm not sure what the phone number area code is for Norway, but let's just put in a fictitious phone number. And then type in the characters in the CAPTCHA. You need to click to agree to Amazon's terms and conditions, and then click on the orange button. So here we're going to have to use Santa Claus's credit card. For the first year, your normal services, your included services, there's no charge. But if you overuse the services above and beyond the free tier, then you obviously need to pay for that every month. So you do need to sign up with a credit card. Amazon make it quite clear in their documents what services are included, how many hours, etc. So you need to obviously read that. So click on continue. And then type in the characters in this CAPTCHA. And this time I need to give a real phone number because the account setup requires a phone call or an SMS for confirmation. So now I'm going to receive a call and I need to type in this PIN number. Okay, so now that the identity has been verified, we can just continue. Here you have 4 options for the pricing. The first one, basic, is the free tier. You have a developer option, which has basic support, $29 a month. You have business, $100 a month. And for enterprise, $15,000 a month. So you have some options there. Click on continue. And here we go. We've got the console sign-in window, so we can just click on sign into the console. And then we put in our email address and click the box to say that you're a returning user and add your password. Once you've set this account up, you can also go into the Amazon console and you can enable 2-factor authentication, which means that you would need to use an app on your mobile phone to something like Google Authenticator to give you access once you've put the username and password in. So here you are, we can see the console, and we have a search window where we can type in a particular Amazon service, Amazon Web Services service, and it will go away and find the service for us. Alternatively, we can click on the actual service, or we can follow some of these links down below. So that's how you set up a free tier Amazon account.